Hey everybody, I'm curious. I just changed my map sensor in my 1996 Dodge Ram 1500 V8 Magnum 5.9 liter. Here's the old one. I want to know what it looks like inside. So that's what we're going to do. I can set up the camera in some way. There we go. A little bit of something going on. Interesting. That's what it is. Interesting. Who would have thunk? I guess, well, evidently the people that make this. Hey, hon. There's the actual little sensor. It's like gooey, snotty stuff inside. Evidently it just failed. That or that gooey, snotty stuff is actually not supposed to be there. Because what it was hooked onto right there, I don't know if you can see that right there, it's actually the vacuum hose that goes onto it. So maybe it's just gunk. I don't know. It's nowhere else, just on this sensor. Doesn't really have a smell to it. Of course, I'm covered in freaking everything else, so. Ooh. I'm going to say that was probably actually supposed to be there. But again, after, I don't know, 24 years, that's original part. Tell that's factory. So, I mean, it's not too abnormal that they fail. She is running better, but I still think I have a miss in my, probably cylinder 1. Don't know why. Anyway, if you're ever wondering what a map sensor looks like inside, that's what it is. By the way, cheapest place to get one, Rock Auto.